The town of Wake Forest used to be known for its textile manufacturing. Today, it's recognized for its wonderful array of family-friendly activities. The factory, located at 1839 South Main Street, is Wake Forest's one-stop sports and entertainment complex, where kids and adults of all ages can eat, shop, and play. So whether you're looking for a place to celebrate a birthday, learn martial arts, shop, dine, or even grind it out on a skateboard, the factory in Wake Forest is the destination for you. Offering a unique combination of sports, recreation, entertainment, retail, and dining choices unmatched in the Triangle, visitors can participate in a wide variety of both indoor and outdoor activities. For example, the MVP Sports Center indoor soccerplex hosts leagues and camps, and the factory ballpark, operated by North Wake Baseball, has an impressive 6 athletic fields and a large field house. The factory complex also boasts basketball courts, an on-site YMCA, and one of the region's only indoor-outdoor skateboard parks. The factory also hosts a number of businesses where families can learn new skills and have fun at the same time. Merchants offer classes and instruction in martial arts, dance, music, and tumbling, while shopping enthusiasts can shop to their heart's content for toys, hobby crafts, gifts, and sporting goods. The whole family can meet to eat at one of the popular restaurants and top it off with dessert at one of the tasty ice cream or candy shops. So if you're looking for someplace in Wake Forest where the entire family can go eat, shop, and play, then check out the factory. For more information, visit wakeforestnc.gov.